So now let's see how we can work around with face sets inside of Blender. So here you can see that I'm already inside the sculpting mode, and if I were to scroll down right here, you can see that there's this draw face set option. If I were to click on it, then I get this brush, and if I were to start painting, you can see that a color starts coming up. If I were to click again, then you can see another color pops up right here, and I can draw any shape that I want. I'm going to go around right here, and then there's another color that pops up, as you can see. So if I were to go around over here onto one of these colors and press H on my keyboard, then the other faces apart from that color is hidden. So now I can go ahead and then make changes onto this particular area, as you can see. And if I were to go to, let's say for example, face set, and if I were to click on show all face set, the shortcut key for this is Alt H, you can see that all of them appear back together. I can go around over here, press H, and then do the same over here as well. Press H outside, and then it's not visible anymore. So similarly, you can see that I can select out particular faces right here. So let me just scroll down and let me go around over here onto draw face set. Let's say for example, if I were to draw around, you can see that another color is actually there. But what I want to do is I want to go around and use the same color over here as this one. So what I can simply do is hold Control on my keyboard, click and drag from this area, and the same color is painted around over here. I can go around, click and drag it, same color is painted around, just like this. And if I were to go around over here, hold Alt, and then same color is painted. If I don't hold Control, then another color is painted. Hold Control, click from here, drag it out, and the color is painted out just like this. So now I can hold H and so forth. If I were to go around over here and press H, you can see that the painted areas are actually deleted out just like this. So now these are the things that I can do. And if I were to press Shift H, then what happens is that the colored areas remain while the others get disappeared just like that. So that is how you can actually work around with this right here. So if I were to go around over here, there's other options over here as well which you can use and then work around with this quite well. And that is how you can work around with face sets inside of Blender. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.